Good morning, children. Geometric progression 11A exercise we completed. Today let us see about 11B exercise. Exercise 11B. Look in your first sum, children. Which term of the GP minus 10, 5 by root 3, etc. minus 5 by 72? Which term of GP? So what he is asking? He is asking us to find out n value. So find out A. From the given series, what is A? A is equal to minus 10. Now R. What is R? R is equal to T2 by T1. What is T2? 5 by root 3. What is T1? Minus 10. So 5 by root 3 by minus 10. That is equal to 5 by root 3 into minus 10 by 1. Okay. So see this one, children. 5 by root 3 by minus 10, T2 by T1, 5 by root 3, that is equal to 5 by root 3 into 1 by minus 10. So 5 1 time, 2 time. So what we get? 1 by minus 2 root 3. Our R is 1 by minus 2 root 3. Okay. Now let us find out Tn. Tn is equal to A into R to the power of n minus 1. That is equal to Tn. How much he gave? He gave it as equal to minus 5 by 72. Okay, we found A value, we found R value. Tn value is equal to A into R to the power of n minus 1. So Tn value we gave it as minus 5 by 72. So let us find out A. A means minus 10 into R. R how much we got? 1 by minus 2 root 3 is equal to n to the power of n minus 1. See here, A minus 10, R 1 by minus 2 root 3 whole to the power of n minus 1 is equal to minus 5 by 72. Look carefully. Minus minus gets cancelled. 5 2 times. 5 2 times. Minus 1 by minus 2 root 3 we are simplifying to the power of n minus 1 is equal to 1 by 144. 1 by 144. So if you continue, 1 by minus 2 root 3 whole to the power of n minus 1 is equal to 1 by 144. How can we write 144? 2 72, 2 36, 2 18, 2 9, 3 3. Like this we can write. 144 we can write. If you take if you divide by 2, 72, 2 36, 2 18, 2 9, 3 3 times. Okay, like that we have done. So instead of this 3 and this 3, what we can write? We can write as instead of this 3 we can write as root 3 into root 3. Or second 3 we can write as root 3 into root 3. So if you see 2 to the power of 4, we can write as 2 to the power of 4 root 3 to the power of 4. Look carefully, everybody. So how can we write this 144, children? We can write as 2 to the power of 4 root 3 power 4. How I am writing 2 to the power of 4 root 3 power to the power of 4? Because 142, 144, this 144 I am writing divisible by 2, 72 times divisible by 2, 36 divisible by 2, 18 divisible by 2, 9, 3, 3. This 3 into 3 I am writing as, first 3 I am writing as root 3 into root 3, second 3 I am writing as root 3 into root 3. That means root 3 to the power of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 to the power of 4. So instead of 144, I can write it as 2 to the power of 4, 3 to the power of 4. I hope you understood. Next, let us continue the simplification. 1 by minus 2 root 3 whole to the power of n minus 1 is equal to 1 by minus 2 root 3 whole to the power of 4. Here also one point is there. Look here. 1 by minus 2 root 3 whole to the power of n minus 1 as it is equal to 1 by 2 to the power of 4 root 3 power to the power of 4. I am taking whole outside. So 1 by 2 to the power of 4 root 3 to the power of 4. I am adding here negative. In order to make this bases same, I am adding here negative. Why I add negative? Because you are having an even number. So even though if you add negative also it becomes a positive, because here we are having a even number for this negative symbol, it becomes a positive. That's why I created this minus 1 to make these two bases equal. Now if you see, since bases are equal, powers can be equated. So n minus 1 is equal to 4, n is equal to 4 plus 1, n is equal to 5. So number of terms is equal to 5. Okay. So So once again you see a is equal to minus 10, r is equal to 5 by root 3 by minus 10, 5 by root 3 into 1 by minus 10. We got r value. After getting r value, substitute in the formula Tn is equal to a into r to the power of n minus 1. So nth term he gave minus 5 by 72. We took minus 5 by 72 and when we simplify we got 144 because minus minus cancelled. 5 2 times, 2 comes this side, 72 into 2 144. 144 I found the factors. When I found I got like this. This 3 into 3, how I wrote? First 3 I wrote it as root 3 into root 3, second 3 I wrote it as root 3 into root 3. So totally root 3 to the power of 4 and 2 to the power of 4. So I adjusted here. So this negative also why I am writing? To make this both same, and also it is an even number, therefore I can use this negative symbol. Since bases are equal, powers can be equated. Just go through this sum children. Next, same model other sums. Just if you can do, you can do. I'll post this respective sums in your WhatsApp group. Let us see fifth sum. Third sum, let us see. Third sum, second sum you try. Let us see the third sum. In third sum, he gave the fourth and seventh term of a GPR 1 by 18 and minus 1 by 486. Fourth term. Look carefully. T4 is equal to 1 by 18. And what is the other one he gave? Seventh term. T7 is equal to 1 by minus 1 by 486. T4 means what? AR cube. AR cube is equal to 1 by 18. T7 means AR power 6 is equal to minus 1 by 486. This is equation 1, this is equation 2. Okay? T power 4 means AR cube, T power 7 means AR power 6. So now what we will do? Second equation by first equation, that is equal to AR power 6 by AR cube is equal to minus 1 by 486 by 1 by 18. So AA gets cancelled. R power 6 by R power 3 we get it as R cube. R cube is equal to minus 1 by 486 into 18 by 1. If you take 2 table 9 times, 2 table 240 3 times. If you take 3 times, 3 table if you take 81 times. Again 3 table if you take 27 times. So therefore what we can write? R cube is equal to minus 1 by 27. R cube is equal to minus 1 by 3 whole cube. R cube is equal to minus 1 by 3 whole cube. Okay, so therefore R is equal to how much? Minus 1 by 3. R is equal to minus 1 by 3. Put this R is equal to 1 by 3 in first equation to get A value. So A into R cube value. What is R cube value? R cube is equal to minus 1 by 27 is equal to 1 by 18. So A is equal to 1 by 18 into 27 by minus 1. Okay, so 9 table 3 times, 9 table 2 times. So our A value is minus 3 by 2. Our A value is minus 3 by 2. So we are ready with A value, we are ready with the R value. R value is minus 1 by 3, A value is minus 3 by 2. What is our question? Find the GP. So therefore, GP is equal to, what is the formula we will write? AR square, etc. So A, what is A? Minus 3 by 2. What is again AR? Minus 3 by 2 into R. What is R? Minus 1 by 3. Next, minus 3 by 2 into R square. R square means 1 by 9 million. So again, simplify minus 3 by 2, comma, 3 gets cancelled, minus into minus plus, so 1 by 2. 3 ones are 3 threes are. So we will get minus 1 by 6. So GP is equal to minus 3 by 2, minus 3 by 2, 1 by 2, minus 1 by 6. Okay. So fourth term is given, seventh term is given. AR cube is equal to 1 by 18, AR power 6 is equal to this one. Do second equation by first equation to get the R value. After getting R value, substitute in first equation or second equation. To be simpler, substitute in first equation to get A value. After getting A value, we have to find out GP. GP formula A, AR square, etc. So just substitute the values of A and R. This is your third sum. Next, let us see your fifth sum. Look at your fifth sum. I'll give idea. Fifth sum. The product of third and eighth term of a GP is 243. Product means into third term T3 into T8 is equal to 243. The product of third term and eighth term of a GP is 243. Third term is what? AR square. Eighth term is what? AR to the power of 7 is equal to 243. A square R to the power of 9 is equal to 243. Look carefully. A into A square, R square into R to the power of 7, R to the power of 9 is equal to 243. We have framed first equation from this given aspect. Next, what is the other thing he gave? Fourth term is 3. Fourth term means T4 is equal to 3. Fourth term is equal to 3. That means AR cube is equal to 3. AR cube is equal to 3. So here we got A square R to the power of 9 is equal to 243. This is marked as first equation. Mark this one as second equation. So to get the R value, what we have to do? First equation by second equation. First equation by second equation. First equation A square R to the power of 9 is equal to 243. Second equation, this one also what we will do is squaring on both sides. This one also square. A square R to the power of 6 is equal to 3 3 is 9. So we write A square R to the power of 6 by 9. Why we did square here? Why we did squaring on both sides? So that both the A's will be same. Here we got A square. No? To make it A square, I have squared both the sides. So A square cancels. What I get? R cube is equal to 9. How many times it go? 9 ones are 9, 18, 2 times, 9 times, 7 times, 63, 7 times. R cube is equal to 27. R is equal to 3 cube. R is equal to 3. So we got R value. So after getting R value, put it in the first equation or second equation. Suppose if you put in this equation AR cube. So A into 27 is equal to 27 implies A is equal to 1. A is equal to 1. So see here, R is equal, AR cube is equal to 3. R cube, how much we got? AR, see here, AR cube is equal to 3, squaring on both sides, A square R square. From this we got R is equal to 3. So then we have to find out A value. Put this R is equal to 3 in the first equation. So if we put, what we get? A square R to the power of 9 is equal to 243. So A square into R we got 3 to the power of 9 is equal to 243. Also we will write in powers of 3. 243, 3 times 81, 3 times 27, 3 times 9, 3 times 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 to the power of 5. So A square is equal to 3 to the power of 5 by 3 to the power of 9. So A square is equal to 3 to the power of 1 by 3 to the power of 9 minus 5, 4. So that implies A square is equal to 1 by A is equal to root of 3 to the power of 4. So A is equal to 1 by 3 square. That is equal to 1 by 9. A is equal to 1 by 9. Okay. So once again you see, R is equal to 3. We got R is equal to 3. R cube is equal to 27. Simple method will do, otherwise once again instead of this quick lengthy method, I will do one more method. See. Once again, fifth sum. Product of third term and eighth term is 243. Third term is AR square into AR to the power of 7 is equal to 243. A square R to the power of 9 is equal to 243. Mark it as first equation. T4 we got it as 3. So AR cube is equal to 3. Squaring on both sides, A square R power of 6 is equal to 9. Mark it as second equation. So first equation by second equation. A square R to the power of 9 by A square R to the power of 6 is equal to 243 by 9. So 27 times. So R cube is equal to 27. A square gets cancelled. R power 9 minus R power 6. R to the power of 9 minus 6. R cube is equal to 27. R is equal to 3. Now this 3 you can substitute in this equation. Mark it as A equation, simple equation. Instead of lengthy equation, simple equation. So AR cube is equal to 3. A into R cube is how much? 27 is equal to 3. A is equal to 3 by 27. That is equal to 1 by 9. A is equal to 1 by 9. A value we are having and R value we are having. Question: find its seventh term. Seventh term means T7 is equal to AR to the power of 6. T7 is equal to A into R to the power of 6. A is equal to how much? 1 by 9. R is equal to how much? 3. So 3 to the power of 6. That is equal to 1 by 9. Write as 3 square into 3 to the power of 6. That is equal to 3 to the power of 6 minus 2, 4. 3 to the power of 4. So 3 to the power of 4 means, so therefore T7 is equal to 81 because 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 3s are 81. Okay, AR cube is equal to 3, A into 27 is equal to 3, A is equal to 3 by 27, A value we got it as 1 by 9. Find out T7, AR power 6, then you will get 81. This is your fifth sum. Let's try by yes and no. Next, if you look at your eighth sum, you see the fourth term, seventh term, and the last term of a series are 10, 80, and 25660. Fourth term is equal to how much? 10. Next, what he gave? Seventh term is equal to 80. Last term is equal to how much? L is equal to 2560. Okay. Now what is the question? Find its first term, common ratio, and number of terms. A, N, R is asking. So T4 means what we write? AR cube is equal to 10. T7 means what we write? AR power 6 is equal to 80. Mark it as first equation, mark it as second equation. So 1 by 2, 2 by 1, 2 by 1. That is equal to AR power 6 by AR cube is equal to 80 by 10. 0 0 cancels. A cancels. R power 6 by R power 3 means R cube. R cube is equal to 8. We can write as 2 cube. So R is equal to 2. R is equal to 2. So put R is equal to 2 in first equation to get value of A. So R cube is equal A into R cube 8 is equal to 10. A is equal to 10 by 8. That is equal to 5 by 4. So R value 2 and A value 5 by 4. Two questions are over. Third one, number of terms is asking us to find out the number of terms. It is L value, or also we can write as Tn. Tn is equal to 2560. Tn is equal to 2560. Tn means what is the formula? A into R to the power of n minus 1 is equal to 2560. So A value what? 5 by 4. So 5 by 4 into R. What is R value? 2 to the power of n minus 1 is equal to 2560. Look carefully. 2 to the power of n minus 1 is equal to 2560 into 4 by 5. 5 by 4, if you reciprocate it, we will get it as a 4 by 5. So 2 to the power of n minus 1 is equal to 5. How many times it will go? 5. 25, 5. Here 1, 2. 5, 1, 2. Okay. So 5, 1, 2, 5, 1, 2 we got. 5, 1, 2 into 4. 5, 1, 2 we will find in terms of 2. 5, 1, 2. 256, 2, 1, 2, 8, 2, 64, 2, 32, 2, 16, 2, 8, 2, 4, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 2 to the power of 9 into 4 square we can write as 2 square. So 2 to the power of n minus 1 is equal to 2 to the power of 11. Since bases are equal, we can equate the powers. So therefore n minus 1 is equal to 11. So n is equal to 11 plus 1. N is equal to 12. Okay. Just see that rough and everything, then you can understand. So A value we got, R value we got. Last term Tn value here 2560. A into R to the power of n minus 1 is equal to 2560. A 5 by 4. R 2. N minus 1 is equal to 2560. 2 to the power of n minus 1 is equal to 2560 into 4 by 5. So 5 one time, 5 12 times. 2 to the power of n minus 1 is equal to 512. I found the factors in terms of 2. I got 2 to the power of 9 into 4, 2 square. So 2 to the power of n minus 1 is equal to 2 to the power of 11. So yeah, since bases are equal, powers can be equated. N minus 1 is equal to 11, n is equal to 11 plus 1, n is equal to 12. Okay. So for today, last sum children, just I teach the last sum and I will pass. Very simple sum, last sum. See your last sum. The 5th, 8th and 11th terms of a geometric progression are P, Q and R. Fifth term is equal to P, 6th term is equal to Q, 7th term is equal to R. 5th, 8th, 11th. 5th, 8th and 11th terms are P, Q and R. What he gave are P, Q, R respectively. Show that Q square is equal to PR. So what we write? AR to the power of 4 is equal to P. AR to the power of 7 is equal to Q. AR to the power of 10 is equal to R. Using the formula A into R to the power of n minus 1. Now he asked us to prove Q square is equal to PR. So what we will do is Q square. From this I find out Q square. So Q square is equal to what answer I will get? A squaring on both sides, same expression I will take. Q square is equal to squaring on both sides. A square R to the power of 14 is equal to Q square. Or I can write it as Q square is equal to A square R to the power of 14. Mark it as first equation. Q square is equal to A square R to the power of 14. Mark it as a first equation. Then what he asked? Already I found LHS Q square. Then he asked PR. We will find out PR. PR is equal to what is P? AR to the power of 4. What is R? R is equal to how much? AR to the power of 10. So that is equal to A into A square R to the power of 14. Mark it as second equation. From 1 and 2, we can write as Q square is equal to PR. Since Q square is equal to A square 14 and PR is equal to A square 14. Okay. Once again, just see this 11th sum, 10th sum, not 11th sum, 10th sum. 5th term he gave it as P, 8th term he gave it as Q, 11th term he gave it as R. So 5th term means AR to the power of 4 is equal to P, 8th term means AR to the power of 7 is equal to Q, 11th term means AR to the power of R. He asked us to prove Q square is equal to PR. So from this second statement, I will square on both sides. So if I square A square R to the power of 14 is equal to Q square, or Q square is equal to A square R to the power of 14. Mark it as first equation. Now let us find out PR. PR is equal to what is the P value? AR to the power of 4. What is R value? AR to the power of 10. If you multiply A into A square R to the power of 4 into R to the power of 10 using the principal indices, R to the power of 4 plus 10, R to the power of 14. So we got it as PR is equal to A square R to the power of 14. Mark it as second equation. From